Guys, here's my second video of the day, and I know I said I was going to do this video on Friday, but I need to get this out of my system now because of how recent this is. I don't know who the fuckface at Blizzard Entertainment is, whose idea it was to shut down the veteran Warcraft server, for people that have been playing World of Warcraft for years, since the beginning. But you want us. You want us, the people who have poured blood, sweat, and tears into your fucking game. You want us to play the game the way you want us to play it. We want to play it the way we remember playing it. And you just said, fuck all of you hardcore fans that want to play the game our way. You said, fuck you, we're going to make you play it our way. And now it's like a Facebook game. Well, I've got news for you. I stopped playing your MMO one expansion ago, after Warlords of Draenor, and I got a message for Blizzard Entertainment as well. I don't know who's working there, who's doing quality control, whose fucking idea it was to shut this server down. But I'll tell you what. This decision, whoever is working at Blizzard, karma will come back around and you will get a slap in the face. You know why? Because nobody will play your fucking game. Veterans at least won't play your fucking game. At least maybe new fans will play your fucking game. But no veteran fans will play your fucking game. And like I say, I don't know the guy, I don't know the person, the he or she who's working at Blizzard, who's bad, incredibly bad, no, atrocious, horrendous decision to shut down this server that is so important to hardcore players of World of Warcraft. You have devastated, you have ruined your game. And you know why? You know how many people went on to say goodbye to the server? Oh, well, I can tell you how many people. I have the number. It was like 1 billion people. More than 1 billion. You guys just don't even care, because you know why. You've got so much money. You used to care about your fans and your games. You know what? After StarCraft 2, you guys started fucking up. After StarCraft, you guys just went and said, fuck you guys. You know? And I'm not going into this more in depth because I'm actually quite mad. Even though I don't play the game anymore, I'm mad because it's something that I care about. You know, you guys shut down your best server, and guess what? Here's what's gonna happen to Blizzard. You guys as a company, you're gonna go from this big huge giant, and you're gonna be nothing at all. You're gonna be a fucking fly on the wall. Everybody's gonna get off your game. Nobody's gonna be on the server. And now you're now apparently everybody's got to make their own custom fucking servers. Why? You already had built servers that were built perfectly. Why do we need custom fucking servers? Why do we need custom fucking servers? I'll tell you why. We don't need custom fucking servers. We want the servers that work. We want the servers that work fine. You guys. You guys just floor me. I remember writing an angry letter to your company. Not talking about this, but another topic. But I'll save that for I'll save that for Friday. And in and I'm not gonna save this. You want everybody to build. You want all your new players, all your veteran players, the people that have poured their blood, sweat, and tears, and I feel the need to reiterate this fact. You want us, you want me, who is a veteran player, to build a fucking custom server? Well, guess what? Fuck you, Blizzard Entertainment. I'm not building a custom server if you pay me $1 billion, $1 billion, and you can take your money, take your custom Warcraft servers, and shove them up your ass.